Hi, this is a follow-up video for a video I made earlier about my experience with the product called G-Technic C4 and how I used it on my Avalanche cladding. And I talked at length about how it worked for me and showed at length what it looks like and how it turned out. But anyway, what I was unable to do was actually find the bottle of the product, and so I found it right here. And this is what you get, okay, for the 30 milliliter. This is actually the big bottle, okay, and this cost about 50 bucks. And how much I used, basically I used a whole bottle, and then I went into a small portion of a second bottle. And what that got done for me was I did all of the bed covers, the 3 bed covers, 1 coat, plus the sail panels, outer and inner sail panels on both sides, 2 coats, plus the running board covers you see down here, those got 2 coats, and also the bridge panel on top got 2 coats. So that's how much coverage I got. I used one entire bottle plus a portion of a second bottle. So that's how far it got for me. I would say if you have one of the Avalanches that only has cladding across the bridge and doesn't have cladding around the bottom, then 1 bottle should get you there. If you have an Avalanche where you have to do the entire vehicle with cladding all the way around, you will definitely need 2 bottles, 2 of the larger bottles. And like I say, they're about 50 bucks. I think they're 55-ish now. And so that's what you get. You get a bottle and it's clear. And this this product, it cures to basically a hard clear coating. It's very tough. I showed that and talked at length about that in the other video. And then you get some applicators here, which they're just basically cotton pads, cotton fabric pads, and they're not absolutely necessary. You can use any like t-shirt cloth type rag, little patches of rag, but you definitely use a small patch of a white cotton material. And you get an instruction sheet here, and the instructions aren't really that complicated. There's really not much of anything, and I talked about that in the other video. And then so the other thing I forgot to show in the other video was I didn't get to the top of this bridge panel here, so I'll just show you this real quick. And I'm not sure how well this is showing up on camera, but you can still see it did not eliminate all of the zebra striping. This got 2 coats up here, and so like I showed you before, the results on the sail panels was excellent, and it almost eliminated all the zebra striping. But on the top here, this was severe. This was, this thing looked horrible when I started out, and you're just not going to get every last little bit of it out. But compared to what it looked like when I started, it's at least 100% better, and it's definitely good enough to pass. And nobody comes up here and looks at this anyway, all right? So don't sweat it. Nobody sees this from the ground. It's nothing. So, and as you can see, I've upgraded to all stainless hardware up here, and I would recommend that. So anyway, yeah, that's what it looks like. That's what you get. And then like I also talked about, I have all new cladding elsewhere on the vehicle. This is new cladding, and this is new. It's got dust on it, and all the rest of the cladding is new. And what I've been using on that so far is this product here. So this is called 303 protectant. You can get this on Amazon. It comes in either a spray bottle, or you can get it in a canister of ready to go wipes. It's disposable paper already saturated with it in a roll in there, and you just pull them out one at a time. And I think this is convenient. And I can't tell you how well this stuff actually works as far as the long term. I can just tell you what I've been doing with it. Basically, I know I've got to put something on the new cladding, to try to keep it from, deteriorating. So I decided to try this product, and what I like about it is it's not greasy. It's not going to dry to a hard clear coat, but it basically it wipes away, and it leaves a protectant film, but it's not sticky or greasy. It doesn't pick up dust. Another thing I noticed about it is on the front, it kind of gives it a non-stick sort of quality, and the bugs don't stick to it. I noticed that right away. When the cladding is bare and you go to scrub the bugs off it, it takes a little bit of scrubbing, and when you've got a coating of this stuff on there, it definitely, the bugs just wipe right off a whole lot easier. So it kind of gives it a non-stick quality. I think this is pretty good stuff. It's kind of like an Armor All type of thing. I think this is a little bit better than Armor All though, and I decided to give it a try. So that's how it's working for me. And this is the kind of thing where you'll pretty much have to apply it after every wash. This stuff will wash off. So it's not like a semi-permanent kind of thing. It has to be part of a routine. But it does last in between washes. You can feel it on there. You can see it keeping the bugs from sticking. You put it on the front of your mirrors too. On the front, it would be the back side of the mirror, the side that faces the front, and it would those things collect a lot of bugs, and it kind of helps with that. So that's what I've been using there, and the thing I like about the pre-moistened wipes, is when you wash the vehicle and you're drying it off, and then you take a couple of these wipes and just hurry up and wipe down all of your cladding, and there's a lot to do there. So and you want to just apply it to the cladding. You don't want to apply it to the paint. So with a spray bottle, you probably have overspray and stuff. So to me, it's just kind of helpful if you've just got a disposable paper cloth that you can just hurry up and wipe it on there and rub it dry, and you just go around. It takes maybe about 3 or 4 wipes, 3 or 4 of the disposable wipes to get around the whole vehicle. So that's what I've been using. Okay, so that's my follow-up there. I use G-Technic C4. I think it's a very good product. This product has shown some pretty good results so far after over a year of having applied it. I would definitely recommend it, and this stuff seems to be working pretty good, and so far so good, and I like it. So okay, thanks a lot. Bye.